Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Venkatesh. I am a DevOps engineer. So this is DevOps Pro Junction YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about a Terraform version constraint. I hope you have heard about Terraform version constraint. Let me go through the documentation. We will make it those versions limitations so the people can use within that particular version only. For that only we have Terraform version constraint. So according to that, when you see in the documentation, this is the page. I will give you the link. You can go through this link as well. So I have the script in my version Visual Studio Code. So you can see here. This is the block of Terraform. So usually we have Terraform block. Under that, we won't have this required version. This line we have to add if ever required. So when we have 4 or 5 members in team, we should use the same version of Terraform. So in case of any changes, if it is in the minor changes, then it won't be the problem. Then it will be the major changes with the version we are using. Then it may have some configuration or programmatical changes will be there. So for that only we have some version constraint. So for that we added the required version. So this is the line. So let's see what kind of version I have in my console. So I have 1.4.6. This is the version which I have installed on my Windows. But here I have mentioned like 1.3.0. Okay. Now I have added the tilt symbol, but while I give Terraform init, it is saying it's not working. But what I'm going to do, this is the version of 1.4.6 which I'm using. So I'm going to add here as 1.4. This is my version constraint tilt value. So while I give init, it's working. So what is meaning of tilt? So tilt is going to use for only the value changes. So now I have 1.4.0. So which means I can able to use 1.4.0 it only going to allow while you install the Terraform between 1.4.0 to 1.4.9. So that is the meaning of tilt here. So like that you can give the version constraint. So else you can also specify like greater than or equal to, less than or equal to the values. Like you can also mention like within the quotation the value should be 1 point so now it's satisfying the condition. It can be 1.3.2 which I installed or greater than of 1.3.2. So like that you can use this version constraint using this operators. I hope this video is helpful with the version constraint. You got some understanding with this. Happy learning. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give thumbs up, subscribe my channel, follow for the more videos. Thanks for watching.